A&A Masonry, an award-winning company servicing the Greater Toronto Area and the Golden Horseshoe. At A&A Masonry, it's our passion to build beautiful curb attraction for your home. Being the top company means that not only will we provide you with a job that's absolutely gorgeous, but also a job that stands the test of time, stands up to the environment, and lasts for years and years. We built our reputation on doing jobs like this, and that's how we became the award-winning company you've gotten to know today. A&A Masonry only uses the highest skilled artisans to put on your job. There's no cutting corners or sacrificing quality when it comes to our work. They put in the time and care to ensure the top quality job is the finished product. The stone is exactly measured and cut for a unique custom design that is exclusive for your home. Then it is positioned and laid on a proper bed, prepared on the ground with the best bonding solutions to ensure it stays in place and looks just as good for many years to come. So ask yourself these questions. Do you want a top quality job that's going to make your home look absolutely gorgeous? Do you want a job that's going to last and look great for years to come? And of course, you want to work with an award-winning company that has a reputation of excellence, right? Then put your trust in A&A and let our design experts get to work for you to transition your home into the beautiful surroundings that you deserve. To schedule your next project, contact A&A Masonry today.